breakdown. Hey guys, what's up? It's Miley. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to Knott's Berry Farm once again. We actually just came back from Knott's, me, my mom, and my brother. But we just took him like when it opened. When it first opened, it opens at 9 now. It used to open at 10. Now it opens at 9. We just took him for a little bit, and then we came back home like an hour and a half ago. But we're going back to Knott's because my cousins are coming to Knott's. So we haven't been to Knott's together since like 2017, but the last time they went to Knott's was 2019. I didn't go because I didn't have the pass at that time, but now I have the pass, so we're going. I'm so excited. Well, one of my cousins that are coming, we went to Knott's not last weekend, but the weekend before. I went with her and her sister, which her sister lives with her boyfriend and their kids, but it's hard to explain. But yeah, we're just going to Knott's today. The last time we talked to them, they're getting ready. They should probably be leaving by now, or they probably did leave. I don't know. But the time is 1:04. They should get here at 2:33, something like that. They live 2 hours away. Love that. And they got the pass last night, I think. And they got the pass, and you know how if you guys been to Knott's, you guys will understand this part, but usually the pass ends December, but since they got their pass in September. Since they got the pass in September, they get to go next year also until December of next year. I think December of next year. Or next year in September, I think. Something like that. Which they're so lucky because we got the pass in July and our pass ends December. Which I'm happy. No, I'm not happy. I don't know how to explain it. But next year we're going to travel a lot. That has nothing to do with this video. What am I doing? But yeah, I was watching the D'Amelio show, and it's good. So yeah, and it's really hot in my room. I have to clean my room just in case they come. I'll clean it a little bit. I'm dizzy right now, so I'm just gonna drink this. It's so cold and I love it. Now I'm gonna watch the D'Amelio show. Yeah, see you guys when I clean my room, maybe. Hey guys, so I'm so tired right now. I'm dizzy. I'm not too dizzy, but I'm a little bit dizzy. To where I get up and then it feels like the world is spinning so fast. Does that make sense? I don't know. But right now I'm gonna clean my room just to get that part over with. They're probably never gonna come to the house, but I'm just gonna clean it just in case. And if they don't come, then I want to clean it no matter what. No matter what. Anyways, but yeah, I was just watching the D'Amelio show, and people are working on our house right now. What's it called? And I could hear running. They brought their kid, one of the guy's kid, and he's running across the house. It just sounds so scary. It feels like a ghost is running up the attic or something. Okay, I'm gonna clean the room. And Harmony, which is my cousin, she texted me. Are you at the house still? She put no, she put no, we left. And then I texted her, is she on the freeway? And then she put no, not yet. So they have 2 hours left to come, or they had 2 hours. Wait, what? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna clean my room. I'm gonna do an OOTD right now. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna do it right now. Okay, so for the shirt, I'm just wearing this Snoopy shirt. And these are my favorite jeans of all time. Okay, I posted on Instagram when we went to Knott's today. So if you want to see it, my Instagram is Miley the Queen 2. Okay. So for the shirt, like I said, I'm wearing this. And then for the jeans, I'm just wearing these. I got the shirt from, I think, Walmart. And I got the jeans from either Walmart or Ross. You guys can really see it. Let me show you in the mirror. Don't mind my crusty socks. Okay. And my room is dirty, but for the jeans, I'm wearing these. I love it so much. Yeah, I just love it. Okay, so I'm cleaning my room. This is how the room is looking. Let me go to the door. Okay. We're gonna get this room situated. Okay. Okay, so I'm done with my room. Not completely done. There's still like a few stuff that I have to pick up and whatnot, but I'm sweating over here. So yeah, well, I'm not actually sweating. I'm just hot. But yeah, this is the best as I can get it. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know. So my mom's at Soak City. I don't know if I told you. But yeah, she left to Soak City before I started cleaning up. Like 30 minutes before I started cleaning up. But I didn't go just because I didn't feel like dressing into my swimsuit and then going over there and then, what's it called? And then taking my clothes off because I don't like going with my bathing suit on. I like putting clothes over and then take my clothes off in the dressing room. And then I just don't feel like going in water. Even though it's hot right now, but like when I go to Soak City, it just makes me dizzy. Especially if I go to Knott's after. You guys are probably wondering why my hair is wet. You guys probably know why. But I took a shower. I wasn't planning on taking a shower. It was just like a last minute thing type thing. I was just using the bathroom and I looked over and I see a hairspray and I was like, maybe I should take a shower to use the hairspray because maybe hopefully it'll keep my hair like flat down instead of like this big bush that we have going on. Did I wear my hair down in this vlog? If not, I wish I did so you guys can see how it looked like. So this was taken at Knott's. I don't know if you can see my hair. But so I'm gonna do my makeup right now. I put this like CeraVe moisturizer thing on my face after I got out the shower. And if you're wondering why I just put it in my hair, not just put it, but like, anyways, I put like this bottle. I'll show you guys right now. Hold on. Okay, so first I was doing my hair. I used this. It's like a curl moisturize, nourishing. I have no idea how to say that. Oil, smooth, help with split ends. Love that. And then I used hairspray. And then I went in and put this CeraVe moisturizing cream. And then usually I put this like other green mask thing. If I do a night routine, I will show you guys. Not if, when I do a night routine. I'm gonna show you guys like what I like, how I do it and stuff like that. Anyways, I have this like red pimple on my nose, and it's the most ugliest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. But I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup. A little bit. I'm just gonna be using lip gloss and what do you call it? Mascara. Where's my mascara? So I'm gonna be using this one. This is waterproof, so like if I cry on one of the rides, it won't, you know, drip down. I won't have black under my eyes. So my cousin is at Knott's already. we're leaving out the door right now. People are watching me. Oh my god, I'm so hot.
Why, hello! Elderberry here, welcoming you to the Berry Family Pie Factory. I'm so excited I can hardly bear it.
We've been waiting in line for an hour and a half, or an hour.
My family ready for the fair by selecting berry pie.
You have to pull it.
Pull those pups and get our pies back.
A few moments later.
I've got the jitters.
I can't help you. Your glasses. That's my score. That's Harmony's score. Please take your picture. His glasses was off during the picture.
Big plan was thanks to you, today has been
Like I can't have my hands free. I have to hold on something. So right now we're about to go on this one. Can they see it? And I'm gonna record on it, and I am scared out of my mind. I mean, I've been on it once, which was not that long ago, like 2 weeks ago. But I never recorded on a ride, like a roller coaster, and I'm nervous.
It better not be long.
This better not happen like Final Destination. You know how the person drops the camera?
Don't you?
Wait, how many fit on one? Four? One you sit in the back, because you're brave. We were gonna go on that, but it's like a long line, so how can people look at me like I'm not supposed to record here? Like Nicole Leno records.
So people can say, "Are you YouTuber?"
I know, I'm scared though. And my shoes are tied. Love that.
Just like, yeah, I'm done with you.
I'm Liza Koshy. They're gonna be like, Liza Koshy gained weight. Okay, we're about to go on this ride. Accelerator. We're gonna go on the accelerator. You thought we're not going on that. But you got all happy.
Too scared to go record it on it, so we end up
Oh yeah. I know. We have to make our hair all messy. It's blurry. Oh, wait, there we go. Wait. No, oh, there you go. Is he even recording? I don't want to feel like a YouTuber. I want to be one. That's a no-no. It's blurry. It's like really blurry. No. Last time we waited right here at the end took 2 hours. I know. I'm not waiting 2 hours again. The musical club is closed. Okay, we're checking Ghost Rider. I thought she ditched us. I thought you ditched us. She's scared. Every single person like this. Oh, this long. Mom and us. We're gonna wait still or what? Nope. We have to go on one roller coaster. We're going to do one. But we're in line already. There you go. I'm so scared. You've been waiting? I haven't been on it so long. No, I'm not scared.
On a different ride. It's like because I haven't been on the ride so long.
That's why, just get this one over with and then you won't be scared of the other ones. Yeah, so you won't be scared during the day. It's nice.
Like it puts that thing in her nose. I'm scared right now.
Butterflies? Butterflies. I haven't been on this ride since like 2017. I ain't even joking.
When was the last time I went on it?
The last time I've been here was 2017. What do you think about that?
On the ride, right?
Huh?
On the ride.
Well, I know Spirit Farm. 2017 was the last time.
You mean like yesterday was the last time you've been here?
I'm talking about before I got the pass.
Like 2 times.
That's it? In your whole life?
Yeah.
The first time I went on it was when I was
What time
6.
is it, Miley?
Or 7. No, it was for my 6th birthday.
Time is it?
It's like... Oh no, we're even closer to a ride.
He's when they hear the annoying ass.
Everywhere I go, opening the door. Let me get this right. What you tell her? Wait, that was not fair. Not. I almost said it. I'm bad. What am I doing?
When you wake up, you're probably on a dream.
The other one.
You said it. You said it already.
The opposite of dream.
Opposite of dream.
Oh! Yeah, well, she got it. You just said it kind of.
What am I doing? Staring? I'm thinking no. Goggles? Binoculars? Glasses? Which way is correct, yeah? That sucks.
It's, you put glasses on. It's like a movie theater, but
3 glasses.
yeah.
What?
Ay, ay. Wait, what?
That's not it.
Clothes. It's like Jack in the Caribbean.
Pilot. I mean, yeah.
A pilot?
Yeah, it was a pilot. That's an airplane, you idiot.
No? Oh, I thought the zigzag again.
Wait on the stairs, there's a big ass cockroach crawling over there. I almost jumped off the ledge.
I'm scared now. We're almost there. We see the one now. No. So we can see the jump. When we're on top, we can see the jump. We're sitting in the front. No, turn it back now. Oh, you had the same accent. Hey, good thing we got the numbers mixed up. I know. We went in the back. Oh my god. Since they all wait and there was us three left. We got the front. That's pretty harmony. So, we got the front after all. That was weird recording the people, but yeah. Help me, Jesus! She's scared of this. She's like 6-year-old. That's a 6-year-old. Listen, it's about time you know. But I'm gonna put my phone in my backpack. Okay, bye. You can barely see me, but we're on to the bullet. Oh my god, we ran all the way from Ghost Rider. We had 2 minutes left. It's currently 11. That's what time we close. I'm out of breath. Okay. See you when we get up there.
Oh, fast forwarding.
Yeah.
It was in the car earlier, but I took it out. And then I put it in my car. And then I forgot to get it.
Why do you look at me like that? Like I'm some stranger.
Yeah. It's the ones you, the handle on over the shoulder.
You went on the ride with me.
Yeah.
I did.
The next day.
Hey guys, it's the morning. I didn't just wake up. I forgot to record, but after I woke up, I went to the living room to watch the D'Amelio show. And I ate grapes while watching the D'Amelio show. And I was watching it for like an hour maybe. An hour and a half. An hour, I don't know. And my cousin texted me and they said that they're getting ready. That was probably so bad. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little OOTD and whatnot. So for the shirt, I'm just wearing this pink tie-dye shirt. I think it's tie-dye. Love that. And then for the shorts, I'm wearing these. I'm bad at doing OOTDs. I don't even know how to explain my outfit. Like, what do I say? I think they're both from Ross. I don't know. I really don't know. I forgot I have scrunchies. Oh my god. I got this like 5 days ago. I don't remember when, but okay. Which one should I use? There's no pink. I think I should use this one. I think I should use this one. This is so pretty. Look at it. Okay.
You're right.
Okay. No, just not time. I'm getting squished into a pancake. Ah! riding your Pacific Scrambler for the rest of your stay here at Knott's Berry Farm. Please stay your seat away from. Okay, ready? Ready? That's so embarrassing. Let's go. Okay, I rate Marzim's Revenge a 9 out of 10 just because I get this. How much do you rate Marzim's Revenge? 10 out of 10. Okay. What do you rate Marzim's Revenge? Huh? What do you rate Marzim's Revenge? I rated a 9 just because I get dizzy. Kind of. So. I just like the shoot off part. Okay. We're walking to the exit now.
I switch it. I switch it to 8 because it's so short.
Marzim's Revenge is that far apart. You see it?
I feel like it went that far.
I know.
Okay, that's one.
What do you say?
You're not sharing your room with us? The flowers and Judging! Okay, next one.
That's the towel.
Hey guys, my feet is killing me right now, but they just left. I think I'm dead, but this vlog didn't turn out how I expected it to turn out, how I wanted it to turn out, but it's fine. Today we just went on 3 rides. Yesterday we went on 2 rides, I think. So we beat yesterday. Love that. Oh my god, it was so crowded. Well, I understand it's a labor weekend and whatnot. But yeah, yesterday we went on Ghost Rider and the shooting ride is like a berry tail ride and whatnot. But today we went on, well, first yesterday we went on a berry tail ride, and then we went on Ghost Rider, and Ghost Rider took freaking 3 hours, which was our whole day. Oh no, and also yesterday we went on Silver Bullet. We made it to Silver Bullet, 2 minutes left of when it like closes, so it's a tie. But today we went on Hit the Gate, which is, what's it called? I forgot what the actual name is. Scrambler. Yeah, but we call it Hit the Gate. And then after that we went on, okay, I remember what we went on. So we went on Hit the Gate, Scrambler, whatever we call it. And then we went on Soul Spin. And then we went on Marzim's Revenge, which was our last ride. And my feet are killing me. Hey guys, so it's a week after I filmed that video. Well, tomorrow will be a week. I did an outro, but it shows this icon, this camera icon, and I think I remember how to get rid of it, but it like takes a long time, so I don't feel like doing it right now because I have other things to do right now. It's like 9 p.m. and I have to go somewhere tomorrow the whole day, but I'm just gonna do an outro right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video, whenever that is. And also, I'm filming a video right now, so yeah. Okay, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.